Correct. So you talk about an interesting point, Krishnakant, that the whole thing about customer experience, right? And earlier insurance industry was considered to be a bit boring, right? Yeah, there are only agents who are working and they are constantly selling, doing a hard sell and so on. Now it is not so. Now we see that if an app is not working, if you don't have various products, various financial models, earlier, why I say insurance was boring is also you had just an annual premium that a person had to pay. Now it can be daily premiums, small amounts, micro insurance is coming, right? So I would like to hear a little bit more on the customer experience. How is that playing up in companies like Edelweiss Tokyo and your peers, and how serious the companies are to improve the customer journey and customer experience?
Sure. So when we talk about the experience itself, right, of buying, I think the customers, especially the ones that are buying online, are now spoiled. They actually have been acclimatized to the e-commerce experience, an ability to browse through products, to customize that particular product offering for their own need, ability to check out very quickly and complete the sale, and then the post payment, the service delivery has to be impeccable, right? And that is the expectation that they bring to the online buying of financial products as well, be it mutual funds, be it insurance, right? In some of our cases, like the general insurance space, you yourself mentioned about buying car insurance online, where the risk is very well understood. The process is fairly easy to enable. And in some cases like life insurance, where the entire risk assessment also has to go through maybe multiple levels before it can actually be accepted, there has to be a way by which the customer expectation is still not violated. You do not want to disappoint the customer. So whilst we can do that kind of internal pushing of the threshold of the envelope to try and make sure that the customer experience is as seamless as possible, there are still certain limits that we have to grapple with, right? So certain internal controls and risk tolerances that we will have to work around. However, the entire process of doing a buy online, we still try to facilitate through enabling the customer to appreciate that, hey, you asked for a cover of 25 lakhs. If you are willing to sign up for 20 lakhs, then the policy can be issued in the next 20 minutes. It will be issued to you, and the cover commences immediately. For a higher risk cover, you might have to just undergo some medical test. Or alternately, asking the customer to volunteer certain amount of information with respect to his financials, with respect to his own digital identity and KYC, etc., can be done online. We have discovered that customers are willing to share that kind of information online in order to make their process instantaneous. They are very keen to share that, and they don't mind doing that if it will ensure a faster turnaround time.
Right.
And we are happy to make sure that all of those capabilities are brought to the table on our website or on our app to get the customer the experience he wants. But this is in the buy online space. Servicing is a completely different gamut altogether, let me assure you.